Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to play some brand new OS game again. Well, it's called Jigsaw OS. Well, it was created by a regular guy, of course. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play this game. Well, actually, not gonna lie, but this is actually for real. But look, let me see what I'm gonna do right now that I don't know. So you Why the hell is this story? What is this? I mean, okay. Today we're gonna play Jigsaw OS. It was just pretty good. Yeah, it's a remastered version. The classic one I didn't play it. I'm very sorry. Well, this one is brand new. So let's read me. Warning, this game contains scary images and some loud noises. If you don't like them, don't play it and delete it from your computer. Also, please always remember that this Jigsaw is a game. It's not related to any other Jigsaw types and it's not a virus. Jigsaw discovered an abandoned OS from one of the previous OS. User turned it into a weapon. Will the user skip Jigsaw's next game? Find out. We both know what Jigsaw do when falling or disobeying. Yeah, so let's start. Do you want to install Jigsaw OS? What if I say no?
Hello, user.
Locked.
I want to play a game. And this time, it will be very different than the others I have encountered. It is very simple. Don't think about trying to escape your lives. I have disabled every access. Those who try to close this, a punishment will occur. Not even Task Manager or the command prompt will save your life. I will explain every clue on your way to my operating system.
What the fuck? Jigs, of course. What the fuck? Puzzle. Starting up.
Welcome to my operating system. Now it won't be like any other weird operating systems you see every day. Allow me to explain the clues. I took the liberty of tearing the uninstall button apart into 4 pieces and send them into each different spots of the applications. If you have managed to get all 4 button pieces, you will be safely escorted out of my games, and you'll go back to the previous operating system you've once had on your computer. As I said before, if you try closing the game, a punishment awaits for you to die.
What the
Now,
fuck?
let us enjoy
No.
our little game together.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. We're playing it. We have a timer as well. Let's see. Recycle bin. There's something. There was a something. It's empty now. I want to play a game. I want to play a game. And there you go. Another another pieces. We can say hello. Welcome back. Can I save it? Cannot save. Oh god. Wallpaper. Oh, I can change the Jigsaw games or Jigsaw horror movie. I think I like this one. Videos.
You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game. There is only one key to open the device. It's in the stomach of your dead cellmate. You better hurry up. Live or die. Make your choice.
Okay. There's another pieces as well. Settings and disable. You're unable to change the rules, and there are also something. Close start. That's just okay. Escape. Uninstall. Good.
Well done, user. I knew you would succeed my challenges. I thought you know how you did it. But I expected better of this. You have done well, user. Now let's keep this a secret. We don't want the duplicates to find out. Do we? I'll expect that further on. Do not worry, user. You can always come back at any time for more deadly challenges. To test your might. Goodbye for now, user. But just remember this. I will always come back.
Okay. That was actually it. What happens if they ran out of time? And also, what happens if I say yes? Installing.
Hello, user.
Oh, you can.
I want to play a game. And this time,
Well, that
it
sucks
will be very
now.
different than the others I have encountered. It is very simple. Don't think about trying to escape your lives. I have disabled every access. Those who try to close this, a punishment will occur. Not even Task Manager or the command prompt will save your life. I will explain every clue on your way to my operating system.
Starting up.
Welcome to my operating system. Now it won't be like any other weird operating systems you see every day. Allow me to explain the clues. I took the liberty of tearing the uninstall button apart into 4 pieces and send them into
Blah
each
blah blah. Let's just
spots
fuck it
of
with
the applications. If you have managed to get all 4 button pieces, you will be safely escorted out of my games, and you'll go back to the previous operating system you've once had on your computer. As I said before, if you try closing the game, a punishment awaits for you to die. Now, let us enjoy our little game together.
Okay, what happens if it actually runs out of the time? Which is... I can't click on this anymore, which is son of a bitch. Okay, I'm gonna type you for you guys. Hey guys, this is Philip once again. I just got infected by Jigsaw, so I don't know how I install it. So I think this is actually so loud. Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Time's up. Such a shame. You wasted your time.
Yes, I did.
You failed my game. You leave no choice to let a consequence to this computer. Goodbye, user.
Goodbye. Okay, is that it? Oh my god. Game over? Oh my god, what the fuck? It opened my notepad, it says game over. Game over. Better luck next time. What? It just said that. Game over, better luck next time. What the fuck? I didn't know there was something like down there. Some like statue thing like that. Like, what the fuck was that? Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop the like button, subscribe, share, comment, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, guys.